From people to society to the natural world around us, here we're learning how Web3 can change the real world for the better. These speakers are ready to blow your mind. Give it up for Amé Raaphorst, co-founder of Orthodoxx. Passionate about making an impact, she's well-versed in what we as brand leaders and tech experts can do to make the Metaverse a progressive, eco-friendly, and kind place.
Since we're here in this new space, why not shape it into a progressive, equal and kind one? This is what our mission really is about as a queer and women-owned business. So we really want to celebrate diversity and inclusivity, and we want to experiment with topics like inclusivity or sustainability. This is because we strongly believe that fashion can carry so much more than just aesthetics, and a project can really have a deeper cause to it. I truly believe that real potential is unlocked when we combine digital fashion with NFTs. The NFT becomes also part of your identity, showing the world what you like and what you care about. So what we really want to achieve is that every Orthodoxx design has its own story to it and really conveys a strong message or a value that you really care about as a person. This could be linked to anything, but for example, contemporary topics in society as well. So we really want nothing to be off limits, and we really want to discuss taboos and to break them as well. And in this way we hope that stories of people will be told and that people also become more connected through fashion.
As a creative, it's so cool that we can dress the world of tomorrow. A world that is fully digital and without any physical limitations. A world of experimentation, of new possibilities and of freedom. Fashion has always been about self-expression. Who are you and what do you stand for? Since there are no limits anymore in the digital realm, the act of self-expression becomes even more powerful. You are able to wear a new outfit every day, every hour and even every minute if you want to, and without wasting any fabrics on it. Since the act of self-expression is core to this new realm, we believe that creating fashion with a soul and message is key. Aesthetically pleasing fashion is nice and all, but ethically and morally pleasing fashion is what makes us thrive. Creating an emotional connection to fashion items is what brings personal as well as societal value both in the digital as well as physical world.
As a fashion designer, I feel a huge responsibility to design from the physical world and our physical bodies while exploring the possibilities of the digital world. Our bodies are the starting point from which fashion flows, and the digital world creates an extra powerful layer to all of this. However, we think that the digital world remains an additional realm to what we know and experience in our physical world and should not function as a full replacement. I actually believe magic is to be found in balancing both worlds, and therefore we honor the interplay between the physical and the digital realm through offering immersive AR fashion experiences that are actually connected to our fashion NFTs.